Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you all how to make Nigerian jollof rice. So let's get started. The first thing we'll be doing is to roast our tomatoes and peppers. So I'm going to start up by cutting my tomatoes into two. Then I will do same for my pepper. I will be using some cayenne pepper and scotch bonnet as well. You can choose not to roast your tomatoes and pepper and it will still come out nice. So you can just blend them and then boil them down. That's fine, okay? I would go ahead to pour that into my tray, the tomatoes, the pepper, scotch bonnet, and then some onion, garlic, and ginger as well. I'm now going to drizzle some oil on that and then pop that in the oven for about an hour. So after 1 hour to 20 degrees C, this is what we have. They are all ready. I would now transfer this to my blender and then blend them. For my protein, I'll be doing a wet marinade, and for that, I need some onion, pepper, ginger, garlic, some thyme, curry powder, and then some vegetable oil. I'll transfer them all into a blender with a little bit of water to aid the blender. Then I'm just going to blend and then transfer into my pot of chicken. You can also go for any kind of protein, it all depends on you. So I'm just going to season with some chicken seasoning, salt, and then a little bit of pepper. If you're using chicken, please make sure you're using chicken seasoning. If you're using beef, please go for beef seasoning. And if you're using fish, do well to use fish seasoning, okay? It always helps to enhance the flavor. So I'm going to let them cook and this should take about 10 to 12 minutes because I'm using soft chicken. But if you're not using soft chicken, just steam for a while and if need be, you can now add in more water to that, okay? And always bear in mind that you want your stock to be concentrated. So once the chicken are fully ready, I'm now going to start frying them in hot oil. This step totally depends on you. You can choose to grill the chicken or you can choose to just have them plain, but I would highly recommend you fry them in some oil. In that way, you get to build up more flavors. After frying, I like to just take off those little particles of the chicken so they don't just start burning immediately. Once I'm done with that, I'm going to now go in with my chopped onion, some ginger garlic paste, and then some seasoning. I'm using some curry, thyme, chicken seasoning, and then some salt. This step always helps to waken the flavors. Just go in with your wooden spatula and stir on that continually for about 2 to 3 minutes or until you're sure that the flavors are now everywhere around your kitchen. So once you're done with that, you now go in with your tomato paste and then fry that for about 5 to 7 minutes depending. This is where you can actually get it wrong. So please always ensure to stir on your tomato paste until you're sure that it is well fried. This can make or spoil your party jollof rice. So once you're done frying, you now go in with the blended pepper mixture that we roasted earlier on. Add that to the pot and now stir and fry for 4 minutes. Once the tomato mix is ready, you would definitely know because the oil will start to float on top. And in that way, our tomato mix is ready. So you now go in with your washed rice. Ensure to wash your rice for about 6 to 7 times. Wash until you get a clean water out of it. And once you add that into the pot, you go ahead to mix thoroughly. Then you go in with your chicken broth and then a little bit of water. If you're using hard rice, please ensure you parboil your rice a little before you add it into the pot, okay? So that you don't end up eating hard rice. So add in water that will just go a little above the rice. Stir continually until you're sure of where the water stops and you're sure that everything is well combined. You can now adjust the seasoning and then go ahead to add in some bay leaf. Now, to get the perfect texture from the rice, you need to reduce your heat to the lowest, okay? Your jollof rice needs low heat to cook and it also needs you to trap the steam. So we are going to trap that using a foil and the lid. Cook that on low heat. Mine took about 20-25 minutes to get ready. Yours can take a bit longer. It depends on the kind of rice you're cooking, the quantity, and then the pot size as well. So there are a lot of factors that determine the timing. If your rice is ready and it is not smoky, you can just cover back with the foil and the lid and then increase the heat for 5 minutes and your rice will sure get that smoky flavor out of it, okay? So once you're done, you take out the bay leaves and then add in butter to that. I love to add in butter to my jollof rice. I love the flavor. It gives it this very rich flavor and I really love it. You can alternate with margarine as well. So guys, our rice is ready. As you can see, it looks really appetizing and it tastes really good. I hope you all get to give this one a try. If you enjoyed watching, please don't forget to like, drop your comments, subscribe if you're yet to. Also, don't forget to tap the notification bell so you get notifications when I post a new video. Thank you for watching. Bye.